And we'll be running, running, running again. And we'll be running, running, running. He says, baby girl, don't get caught on my edges. I'm the king of everything, and know my tongue is a weapon. There's a light in the crack that's separating your thighs.
You have to tell them to let me go.
You should fuck me tonight. And I've been sitting at the bottom of the swimming pool for a while now, drowning my thoughts out with the shallows.
Am I the only one who finds this unusual?
Again.